Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Fete hakalay ban sa Riga October minta
Fete bat ke beauty contest kan selong Kynshi Bangla Lower Primary School hakalai bat South Urusau arajar apusan bat kindon ru bunjat ke jingale kai hagan ngesngi bat baro ke jingale kai Fete kilong hamadan football Kynshi Bangla Eastern West Khasi Hills bat pilaur ban phone hau mobile number pranyo ndrhnyo saw iwe hakalai trik udusau arajar apusan uban kiar kharkongor ubediu Kaitor bapau nam unse Pynlynguh hakapor hendru bejajan met bat hakasau trik udusau arajar apusan hakapor hendru bejajan met on sepenlong ke jioko Miss Theodore Mau Eastern West Khasi Hills District bat kinoi shimbenta kidei banlong ki badang samla bat kibla kinjo kerta ka bakat sau snem shaneng bat kila bandai nakono ke benta jonga jela Meghalaya kasong pisa na kabenta ka kusnam baningkong hagijiya ko tiudo mau kan long ndrihojar sanspa tingka bat kapang snyat ka kusnam baar kan long sajar sanspa tingka bat kapang snyat bat kusnam balai kan long lehajar bat kapang snyat kabayrung na kabenta kani gajiya ko kan long ar spa tingka marway bat na kabenta gijing tip bakam benya hagan gransan ya ko laban phone hau mobile number prasau iwe saw pra iwe non riu saw iwe bakatarik bakhado ban pendrung gerteng hagan gajiya ko berlong haka artik rusau arajar arpusan kino penya ki khot sngoba ya kino ki bala ban pen bernya pat ba de kino ki sap shua ka artik rusau arajar arpusan ban yo pendrung kat ba kino shim benta haga jiya ko kidang kre dang krum
Fete Fete hakalay ban sa Riga October minta hakalay tarik poren henriu baje janmiyet unwan temuba bunker kharkungoru Kaitor bapau nam ha Meghalaya hakaso tarik por henriu baje janmiyet kandon kajmiya ko pyait mis kevo mau batikat ki bakawa shim bentana kino ki jaka kastotir Meghalaya karta kandaina du wakat so usnem shajaro Fete hakalay ban sa Riga October minta
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.